Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating a wide skillet so it's ready when the cabbage hits the pan. This prevents steaming and keeps texture. Add 2 tablespoons oil, then the sliced onion and garlic to bloom flavors. Cook until translucent, about 2-3 minutes. Once done, push the aromatics to the side and add the thinly sliced cabbage in a single layer if possible. This promotes browning. Make sure to season with 1 tsp salt and 1/2 tsp pepper early. Once the cabbage has softened and developed some brown edges, push it to the pan rim to create a clear center. Pour the beaten eggs into the hot middle so they set quickly, which preserves tenderness. Scramble gently with a spatula every 10-15 seconds. Then fold cabbage into the eggs so they coat each other. This creates pockets of egg and caramelized cabbage for texture contrast. Make sure to lower the heat if the eggs cook too fast. You want them just set, not rubbery, to maintain creaminess. To finish, taste and balance. A small splash of vinegar or a pinch of sugar brightens the dish, while sesame oil or green onion adds aroma. Add these at the end. Once done, transfer to a warm plate so steam doesn't resoften the cabbage. If the fry turned out soggy, immediately return to high heat and spread a thin layer to evaporate excess liquid. Press gently with the spatula for faster browning. Remember, quick, high heat evaporation saves texture. Adjust seasoning and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.